Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character Guang step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. That's right. Guang. Guang. Light. Owning. To use up. Light. 光 for example, 光明 光明 light. Now check this sentence. The sun gives us light. Gives us light. 太阳给我们带来光明。给我们带来光明。太阳 the sun 给我们带来光明。The sun gives us light. 太阳给我们带来光明。光 in cursive. 光 light, owning, to use up, 光明 light. The sun gives us light. 太阳给我们带来光明，光。Please comment any words or sentence with the character 光. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.